Welcome back to our course on Microsoft Word for Early Childhood Educators. In Module 1, we introduce Microsoft Word and how Word can be used in your teaching and learning activities. Now, in Module 2, we're going to explore the basics of getting started with Microsoft Word. By the end of this module, you will feel confident in opening Word, creating new documents, saving your work, and using templates to enhance your teaching resources. Opening Microsoft Word on your laptop. Let's start by learning how to open Microsoft Word. Locate the Microsoft Word icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Once you click the icon, Word will launch and you will be brought to the Start screen. This screen gives you options to create a new document or open existing ones. Think of this as your digital workspace for everything you need in the classroom, from lesson plans to worksheets and more. Creating a blank new document. Now let's create a new blank document where you can start typing. From the Start screen, click on Blank Document. This will open up a clean page where you can begin creating your content. Saving a document. It's important to save your work regularly so that you don't lose anything you've created. Let's save this new document. Click on File in the top left corner. Step 2. Select Save As if it's the first time you're saving this document. Step 3. Choose a location on your computer, like your Documents folder, and give the file a name like Alphabet Worksheet. Click Save. Now your document is saved and can be accessed whenever you need it. For example, if you want to come back tomorrow and finish your worksheet, the document will be ready and waiting for you. Opening an existing saved document. Maybe you've saved a student report or lesson plan and you need to go back to edit it. From the File menu, click Open. Browse to the location where you saved your document. Select the file like Learner Report and click Open. Now you can continue working on that document, making edits or updates as needed. Remember to save your work by holding down Ctrl and S. Opening a template. Templates are pre-designed documents that can save you time. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use a template to create professional-looking documents like certificates, activity sheets, or classroom schedules. From the Start screen, you will see a list of templates available. If you don't see the template you want, you can search for it by typing keywords in the search bar. Example, certificate. Click on the template you like and it will open in a new document. Now you can customize the text in colors and print it out. In this module, you've learned how to open Microsoft Word, create a blank document, save your work, and open existing documents. You've also discovered how to use templates to save time and create beautiful materials for your classroom. These are foundational skills that will help you make the most of Word in your teaching. In the next module, we'll dive into entering and formatting text in your documents to make them more engaging and professional. Let's move on to Module 3.